talking about let's go. Oh, y'all can hear her? Okay. Show her to us. She on my TikTok. She on my TikTok. Well, you can do a lot of stuff at one time on TikTok. I'm finna change the faces now. She trying to get some free money. Okay. Hey, you ain't never been to America? Yeah, get adjusted. Get everything adjusted. Pull your pants up. Move your little hair out the way. Yeah. I don't know how they think they finna come over here and win the race, leaving second. He jumped out of there. Did he have enough power to run him down? He do got supercharged turbo and nitrous. Damn. Who? Oh, he jumped?
Yeah, he jumped.
Oh, shit, he jumped, y'all. What the fuck he scared of that truck for?
He jumped. Okay. Left lane one, guys.
This truck won, y'all. The truck advances to the next round. The damn Carden, the Carden, that truck won, y'all. Come on, come on, come on.
I almost didn't get that race because this fool jumped out in front of him and he jumped out in front of me. And then I was like,
damn, I don't even know what the fuck happened. I'm finna move. Who jumped out first?
No, I'm saying like he got in front of you, so you had to get in front of him.
Oh,
and then
what you doing over here?
Bro, like you're not even doing shit, bro. Like, go over
You just jumping in people's ways and shit.
He working, bro.
Yeah.
I know, but
now I can argue and shit, make it seem like I'm mad and shit. I'm fucking pissed off right now, man. I'm ready to. Next time I see you, I'm gonna beat the shit out of you. When we race, I'm gapping your ass now. It's gonna be a gap. I'm gonna take all my frustrations out of you. Come on, come on, come on. Left lane didn't even want to get out the gas. That was Joe Dirt versus Michael Poland. I ain't duplicate how you know everybody. I like that you do, though. I like that you do know everybody. I've been looking for somebody who knew everybody, and it's you. You the guy that know everybody. Sometimes I be at home editing videos. I don't know none of these people's names. The event called Warzone by Dan Lee. Hey, from Australia. Scooter Lockdown. We Limpy crew look out. Okay, Kangas. Oh, that's part of Limp. Duplicate Limpy boy. Oh, okay. I like that how he know every person. I don't know nobody. Yeah, we race all night. Ain't no time limit. We still, I think the taco truck's still open. You can still go order you some tacos. We doing it big out here, man. Boot counters and shit, drinking, smoking weed. They doing it all. They doing all kinds of shit. Oh, that white truck won? Okay. Okay, white truck went around his ass. Oh. Have a good. He a good race. He a good race. Yeah, I'm killing him on the reaction time. Yeah. That reaction time compared with my 60-foot killing him. Yeah. Them turbos he got ain't coming back. Yeah. Right. Yeah. That's better time. Hell no. Full pass or no full pass? No full pass. Bucanas, drugs, guns, tacos, cars, ladies, and even horses. No full pass. Christina Brown said it do feel like she up here. She on the couch at home. What kind of shocks he got on that motherfucker, boy? He had them. Yeah.
Get this smarter. Pay up, baby.
Damn. Oh, Cookie the Princeton got home, put me on his put it on his 65 inch.